Challenges of steel building erection. Introducing our streamlined factory steel building erection contractors, simplify the construction process and ensure timely project completion. Our expert team is equipped with the latest technology and techniques to handle every aspect of your steel structure, from planning and logistics to precise assembly. We understand that time is money, and our efficient methods minimize downtime, allowing your project to progress smoothly. With years of experience in the industry, we prioritize safety and quality, ensuring that every erection complies with strict standards. Our commitment to excellence means that you can trust us to deliver a sturdy, reliable structure that meets your specifications and enhances your operational capabilities. Contact us now to discuss your project and experience the efficient, reliable steel building erection service that will transform your construction timeline and keep your plans on track. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.